Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Ilyas. I am a digital marketing expert. I work online on digital marketing. Today I'm gonna show you how to set a Facebook profile username. If you have a Facebook profile and you don't know how to set a Facebook profile name, so don't worry, I will help you. I am here to help you out. So before we set up Facebook profile username, we should know why it is important. Suppose some of your friends or someone else wanted your first Facebook profile name to become your friends, but when you gave your name to your friend or someone else and he started searching you on Facebook, your profile name, but instantly he is not finding you and your Facebook profile name is not appearing on Facebook profile. So it's very embarrassing when someone or your friend does not find you on Facebook. He searched your name, but he did not find you exactly your name, and he found some other name like your name. So username is very important to find out a specific profile or a specific person. So now I am showing how to set up Facebook profile username. So if you are a new here, so don't worry, I will guide you step by step how to set up Facebook profile name. So first you will come here, you will click on it, and you will come here, setting and serve privacy. You will click on it, and then you will find lots of options here. From here you will just come here, you will click on setting, then you will find your destination from where you will set up your Facebook profile username. So basically we will change our Facebook profile name username from here. Under general profile settings you will find here name, that means your name, profile name, and you will find here username. Basically we will change our Facebook profile username from here. Okay, so I have set it before, that's why I can't change it. So I am showing you from other Facebook page how to set up Facebook profile username. Okay, so I'm going again here, and I am looking for another Facebook page. I'm selecting this page. Basically I will change its profile name. Okay, it's a username. Okay, here I came, and now I will change I will set profile name of this business page. So I will click on it here. Basically I will write down it here. Okay, I am writing a name. Suppose computer sorry, computer house. Sorry, not SOUSA, house, computer house. This is not available. I have to write down something else. Suppose I have given here a number. It's now available. Now I will click on save changes here. Now the Facebook authority asking my password, my profile password. It's okay. Now I am giving here my password. Yeah, I have given here my profile password here. Now I will submit. Okay, maybe our profile name username it's okay. Yeah, we have successfully set up our Facebook page username. It's okay. This is a unique username, and there's no any other name like this username. So I think you have understood how I changed it. So I think this video will be helpful for you. And if you find something new from my video, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my video. Thank you very much to watch this video.